Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video I will be showing you how to make Ghana Toolo beefie. So I am making two different types of beefie. Okay, so the first one is going to be the salted mutton, which is the Toolo beef, and then the second one will be the salted beef, which is the beef Baba. Beef is cow meat. All right, guys. So this is an ancient way of curing meat, and in Ghana we still use this. I am saying Ghana because I don't know about the other African countries, and this process of curing your meat gives your food or meal an aromatic flavor. Guys, trust me, especially when you cook angwamo with your salted beef. You eat and bite your fingers. So let's get started. Here I have some salt, which is sea salt. I'm using the coarse grain of SELIM, some bay leaf, and this is my meat. Okay, that's the beef. Okay, and then this one is the mutton. All right, so like I said, we are doing two different types. I am using sea salt, the coarse one, the one that is like rocket. You also need an airtight container. Yes, you need an airtight container for this process. Okay, so let's begin with the beef. All right, guys, so here I have my beef. I have washed this and left it to dry on its own. All right, so when you leave it to dry, it helps speed up the curing process. Okay, so at this point I will add my salt to it. All right, and then massage it properly. Don't forget to put on your gloves. Yeah, it's just like marinating your meat. Okay, so I am massaging it and marinating it as well. At this time I'm adding my grain of SELIM, which is the huintia. Massage again, and then next I'll work on my mutton. I'll then add the salt, massage, add my grain of SELIM, huintia, and massage again, doing the same process. Okay. All right, so next I'll take my airtight container and then transfer my beef into it, add my bay leaf to it, sprinkle a little bit of salt, cover it, and then put that aside. Okay. Right, so I'm going to do the same thing to the mutton as well, which is the Toolo beefie. And set this aside. Right, so guys, I'm going to leave this in a warm place for 4 days, but I will check on it every 2 days. Why do I have to check on it? The salt will extract the moisture or the liquid, the water in the meat, and we don't want to leave that in the beef. So what I would do is, this is my second day. I've come to check. There's a little bit of water. I'll then pour the water into a bowl, add some more salt to it, and cover it. If you do not check on your beef, the curing process will not go well. Your beef will end up going bad, okay, because of the liquid or the moisture in it. The salt actually extracts the water, okay, and then kills the meat. So you don't want to leave that water around it. If you leave that, it will make the curing process not go well. All right, so after checking on my beef and mutton the second day, this is how much water I got. All right, so yes, I'll add some more salt to it as the salt has dissolved. All right, I will then cover it and keep it in a warm place again for another 2 more days. So you can actually keep it longer if you want it to be very salty. I don't want it to be very salty, which is why I'm keeping it for just 4 days. Okay, so I'm doing the same to my beef as well. I'll cover it and then put it back in the warm place again. So on the 4th day, I have come back to check on my Toolo BEEFIE and BEEFIE Baba. So yes, this is how it looks like. You see, it has changed from pinkish color to a brownish color. This tells that my curing process has gone really, really well. Alright, so now I'll transfer this from the airtight container into a bowl and then put it in a Ziploc bag and keep it in my fridge. Alright, so this can last for 2-3 months and over because of the salt. The salt has preserved it and has given it a longer life period. Alright guys, so this salted beef, which is Toolo BEEFIE, goes really, really well when you use it for making angwamu, okra stew in your soup. It really gives the soup a very beautiful flavor, guys. So that's it. It's so easy and simple to make. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.